Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lesson, and this time the topic is songs for language. The song that I'm going to use for today's video lesson is a very famous nursery rhyme, Little Star, written by Jane Taylor. So this is actually a poem written by Jane Taylor which has been used as a nursery rhyme. So I'm going to sing that for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Alright, now that you have listened to the rhyme, let's do an activity or exercise. In the following stanza, underline all the words that name a person, place, or thing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now let's find out all the words, right? Twinkle, twinkle, no, these are not the word, right? That is a name, right? So we got it here, star, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So let's choose another color. I think that will be better. Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder. So I is you, right? The name. Wonder what you. Okay, you are up above. Okay, these are not names. Up above the world. Yes. So high like a diamond. Yes, of course. This is the name of a thing. In the sky. Right. So star, I, you, world, diamond, sky. So these are the words that we got. So the words that you have underlined or we have underlined are called nouns. Nouns are words that give a name to people, places, things, and even ideas, right? Let's do the second question. Now circle all the words that describe people, places, or things. So here we are not going to look for words that are name, but the words that describe, right? So twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So here we are going to look for words that describe the name. So you remember in the first question we have underlined star, right? Which is the name, right? So the word that describes star is here, little, right? So this is one word. How I wonder what you are. Here we are not getting any word that is describing name. Up above the world so high. So this is one word we got here, right? High. Like a diamond in the sky. So here we got two words, little and high, right? So let's see what these words are called. The words that you have circled are called adjectives. So adjectives are words that describe or tell us more about a noun, that is people, places, things, and even ideas, right? So I'll be back with more questions based on such rhymes or song. So I'll see you soon with the second part of this video. Till then, take care.